This equipment is primarily used for the reaction sintering, pressureless sintering, recrystallization sintering of silicon carbide products, as well as the synthesis of high-purity powders, enabling multi-purpose applications in a single furnace. The working zone dimensions of this equipment are 1000 x 1000 x 500 mm, with a maximum loading capacity of 600 kilograms. For equipment of the same type, the working zone can be designed up to 1000 by 1000 by 6000 mm, with a maximum temperature reaching 2600 degrees Celsius. The furnace employs multi-zone independent temperature control and multi-channel gas inlet/outlet technologies, ensuring excellent uniformity in both temperature and flow fields, with temperature uniformity within plus or minus 5 degrees Celsius. We have implemented multiple optimizations and upgrades to the equipment based on the original design. For instance, all water, electrical, and gas pipelines have been modularized, resulting in a more streamlined and aesthetically pleasing structure. This allows for rapid installation on-site, and even for a unit of this size, it is essentially ready for operation upon connection to water and power sources, significantly saving time and effort. For high-temperature furnaces, safe and stable operation is of utmost importance. In addition to conventional safety measures, we have newly developed an intelligent early warning system for the heating zone. This system enables second-level monitoring and alerts for contamination and abnormal conditions in the heating zone, while automatically initiating emergency protocols. This ensures robust safety protection, providing customers with greater confidence during operation.